Hello and welcome back to Snom Marble Competition 6. We're here on event 10, half-pipe dash. So here are our standings. After the last event, the Kobolds have taken the lead with gold. The Rangers are now with pretty clean 22-point lead over the Rangers. And I'm saying test teams. It's first to finish here will be first to advance. It all depends on the bumps you get in that first section. With Snowy Force and Chocolatiers here. Snowy Force and Midnight West here. Chocolatiers just miss out. Well, it just depends. If you get good bump out of that section, you're probably going to advance. You're going to advance. Something really bad happens. So we have Heat 2 here. We've got the Blizzard Blasters, Winter Icicles, Christmas Chills, and Night Stars. And the Blizzard Blast as well, that was fast. That could beat the record. That would be Night Stars while advancing. Actually, it's not. Look at the 2.76 by Jack-O-Lanterns. This is before models were named, but that was a very good time. Very quick. I'm a bit surprised the record's been, but it is possible. So we've got Heat 3 now. We've got the Rangers, the Jungle Jumpers, the Sandstorm, and the Meteorites. We can go for the Meteorites and the Rangers. The Jungle Jumpers, they're struggling. And this is a shock. This is a team you expect to see like at the top of the table right now, challenging for the lead, but they're not doing that. Now I get the Heat 4. Got the Snowballs, the Kobolds, the Baby Blue, and the Eggs. The Kobolds advance here. This is going to be trouble. It's going to be hard to catch, and it looks like they will. The Baby Blue, they look like they got stuck. The Kobolds just knocking everyone back. What happens here? The Baby Blue and the Snowballs just big hits on the box. Kobolds steal the Snowballs. They try and get some momentum, but they can't. They get bumped back by the Kobolds here who take their momentum. That was just rough. And here's Knives through 16th. Not surprised the Baby Blue get lost there, but that was rough. So we're getting the same final. We've got the Snowy Force, the Meteorites, the Eggs, and Night Stars. Looks like the Night Stars going to advance, and so are the Eggs. Snowy Force then come third, while the Meteorites struggle back in the back. There's a few bad bumps there. But the Eggs, they're still in the final. They could get their first medal here. And you're in the same final too. We've got the Midnight West, the Blizzard Blasters, the Rangers, and the Kobolds. The Rangers and Midnight Wisp, they need to advance here if they want any chance of catching the Kobolds. But doesn't look like the Rangers will. Midnight Wisp will definitely. The Rangers, they're so far behind. I want to look at this. They must have got an awful bump there. That does not look good at all. But the Kobolds, this is scary. If they win here, I think it's practically over. The Midnight Wisp, they're there as well. They could catch them. And here's 5th to 8th. The Rangers, they just got absolutely destroyed with that bump. We're getting the final now. We've got Aries, Boyle, Westby, and Azure. And can the Eggs get their first medal? And it looks like they will. The Midnight Wisps will win the event, and the Eggs will get second. The Eggs get their first medal. The Kobolds are unable to get the podium. And that's a good sign for the Midnight Wisps, who will get the gold here. And they could they might actually close this gap. I'm not sure. Will it be extended? And here's our podium here. We've got the Midnight Wisps get the gold, the Eggs the silver, their first medal ever. And it's not going to close at all. I think it's the exact... No, it will. It closes by a point. As we get ready for the next event, ice hockey.